Book. Ari just got a new Elmo book. Ari, show us the Elmo book. Is it about going potty? Potty! That's how she says potty. Ari, where's Elmo? Yeah, Elmo. 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 Where's there? Oh, there is a fish on that page. That's his doll. Ari, can Elmo go potty? Yeah, potty. Potty. Do you have to go potty? No? Does Elmo go potty? Let's see. What's that? What's that? Oh, now you're done with it, huh? You were playing with it forever. Ari. Rock, 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 rock. Rock, rock, rock.